Hi guys and welcome to Intraday trade analysis for the day. So today we have traded on Kotak Bank. Okay, so I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and also we'll be talking about how the market has performed for the day and how the market started for the day and how it has ended and index analysis and everything. So before that, let's look at the Kotak Bank trade, what we have done today. Okay. So firstly, it was a short sell trade today for Kotak Bank. Okay. So according to my study and the strategy, it was a short sell below 1696 level. So I took my short sell entry here around 1696 to 1697 level. And after I took the sell entry, you can see here the stock has come down. Okay, so it has made a low of almost 1681, more than 15 points it has come down here. And after that, around 1681, it has taken a support and then the stock has moved up. Okay, but in the morning itself, the sell side target has achieved. So I was able to book almost 6 to 7 points of a target here and I took my exit by following my discipline, study, and the strategy. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators here in a very simple and accurate way. So if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay. So by being said that, now let's quickly look at how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. So if you look at the Nifty 50 chart, it has gone up today almost. It has closed at 0.31% up by gaining 68.75% points. Okay. So the Nifty has gone up today. But if we quickly see how the pre-open market had opened for the day, we can see here that the Nifty 50 opened at 0.21% up today. Advances stocks were 39, declines were 6 and unchanged white 5 stock. So it was opening also was a bit in a upper side and also the market has closed today in a upper side as well. Okay. So this is how the market performed. You can see here how it has performed. Okay. So but it was not like a smooth kind of movement towards the buying side. Sometime it was range bounded around mid afternoon and later it started to go up, and you can see even in between the market has come down and again the buyers came in and have pulled the market up. So you can see how the market has performed for the day. It was bit choppy, we can tell, but again at the end of the day it has managed somehow to close in the upper side today. Okay, so now let's look at the indices, how they have performed for the day. So these are the main sectoral indices what we are seeing here, and we can see that the main gaining indices for the day is Nifty FMGC with 1.43% up and Nifty Reality with 1.41% up, and all the other indices have performed in a normal way, and the most declining indices would be Nifty Metal with minus 0.62% down and Nifty Financial Services with 0.61% down. So this is how the indices has been performed for the day, and this is the overview of today's market and today's trade what we have done today. So if you guys want to learn all these conditions of stock selection and all the strategies to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to join us and to learn from us. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. very soon.